Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode. We are live with Joe at the card shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Check them out on Facebook. If you need something certified, autographs, if you have old sports memorabilia or are into non-sports, come check Joe and Abe out at the Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on Osborne and 24th Street, Phoenix, Arizona. So today we bought a few of these jumbo packs from Joe. Somebody brought them in. He got a good deal on them, so he gave us a good deal like he does. And so we got 4 of these. We've got a whole mess of other cards. We showed these to you last night when we were going through the box that Joe gave us, the Hall of Fame box. Our thank you video to Joe. Anyway, we're going to try to see how many of these we can open up. See what we get. If you haven't seen the other videos, go back and check those out. Hit the like and subscribe button. Tell all your friends. Matthew Stafford. I've heard of him. I think Arizona picked him up for a quarterback. He's got a giant head. Look at this. Look at the size of that melon. Alright, we're looking for game used jersey cards, relic cards, autos. So we'll fly through most of these people. Andrew Luck, I've heard of him. Most of these people I'm not going to know who they are. Alright, let's see what this is. Scorecard. Not sure what's special about this. Cooper Cup. I don't know. Maybe it's just a variant, some sort of variant card. I don't know. I don't see any numbers on any of these, but here's some sort of color rush. Kareem Hunt. Never heard of him. Scorecard. Jimmy Garoppolo. It's kind of a cool card if you're a 49ers fan anyway. Not so much if you're a Chicago Bears fan. We'll do a giveaway. If anybody's interested in this San Francisco card right here, let us know in the comments. We'll ship it out to you. Same thing on the Joe Flacco. If you're a Joe Flacco fan, let us know. Aaron Rodgers, heard of him? We'll probably give him to our Green Bay fan. All hands team, that's pretty cool. Another color rush. Cam Newton. That one's alright. Here's one for the Steelers fan. Le'Veon Bell. Nice. Josh Allen in the draft. Never heard of him. Fantasy star Adam something. Never heard of him either. So I think in these jumbo packs they must give you lots of these different types of insert cards, because these seem like maybe you would normally get one of these a pack or one or two of these a pack. Here's a cool shot of the New England Patriots huddled up. Rashard Penny. Reese Hurst. Yeah, I don't know. We have to go back through some of those and make sure we don't miss any stars. Next pack. Pack 2 of 4. Okay. Doesn't look like we have any game used jerseys, I don't think. Von Miller, heard of him. Aaron Rodgers again. Our Packers fan is going to be liking this. Ryan Tannehill. I think I bought a Ryan Tannehill PSA 10 rookie card, I think, for like $5. Scorecard. Yeah, I don't know what these scorecards are, but I think they're just some sort of variant card. There's Matthew Stafford again, his gigantic head. Color Rush. Jared Goff. I think I've heard of him. It's a cool card. Scorecard. If you are a Jaguar fan, let us know. We'll send you this scorecard for that one day that you beat up on the Seattle Seahawks. You probably still remember it. Look, there's another Jared Goff card. Oh, here we go. Here's one for the Steelers fan. Look at this. Antonio Brown and a scorecard. Antonio Brown. Back-to-back Antonio Brown cards for our Steelers fan. Fantasy star Melvin Gordon. Never heard of him. There's Derek Carr, Raiders captain. Oh, and we got the Steelers huddled up too. This is a Steelers pack for sure. Rashad Evans. He sounds familiar. Tyreek Hill. I've never heard of him. Alvin Kamara. I think we got his game used jersey yesterday. We showed you the video. I think it was the last video. We retested our fat pack theory yesterday at the shop, and Joe had opened up a new box, and I spotted the fat pack. Anyway, cracked it open, and I'm pretty sure it was this guy's game used jersey yesterday. And looks like nothing. There's a Arizona State rookie card guy. Alright, pack number 3. Darvis Slay, Dak Prescott. Heard of him. Prescott. I wonder if he pronounces his name like they do the town of Prescott, or if he goes for Prescott. Not sure who any of these people are. Odell Beckham Jr. Heard of him. And these cards all look really good. Like, you'd have to go around the edges. I guess some of the corners look a little dinged up, but weren't really looking at grading any of these. TJ Watt, if he's... Oh, that's somebody else. I just bought a... he plays tight end for the Steelers. PSA 10 for like $9 or $10. Torrey Smith. Izzo. These Color Rush cards are pretty cool. Todd Gurley. I feel like I've heard of him. Another Jared Goff card. He must be tearing it up. Dak Prescott. And Tom Brady. I don't know if this is a... looks like it might be his regular card. He's got number 12. That's cool. He's number 12, I think, and they gave him number 12 card. Ooh, Russell Wilson, Color Rush. Nice. Captain J.J. Watt. Kareem Hunt. I don't know who that is. There's Drew Brees for captains. There's another Green Bay card. Oh, look, they're doing some celebration. What a bunch of jokers. Look at those guys. Stupid. Alright. No autographs, no game used jerseys yet. Last pack. So these are the 2018 Score jumbo packs. If you're interested in these, you can click on the affiliate link below. It'll take you straight to wherever it takes you so you can buy them. Amazon, I think. And you can do all your shopping really there through our affiliate link. Anyway, it helps our channel out. So if you're interested in opening packs of cards, click on that link. Nothing in here. Another Steeler. Marshawn Lynch, we were just talking about him. Mr. Skittles. Whoa, look at this. That guy's about to take a hard fall. Oh, and here's the Color Rush Aaron Rodgers. So we had Russell Wilson, and it's like our third Aaron Rodgers card. Derek Carr. There's Fitzgerald. Some Arizona Cardinal fan probably wants that one. Looks like it must have been in October. He's got his pink gloves on. Larry's a good guy. He does a lot of good things around town. Tyreek Hill, captain. Oh, there's that same dude that we got the game used jersey from. DJ Clark. Another captain, Von Miller. Celebration. Alright, well, I guess that's it for the jumbo packs. So thankfully Joe didn't pay too much for them, so we didn't have to pay too much for them because there are some decent cards in there. But we'll give away any of those cards that I didn't mention. If you're interested in any of those, hit us up in the comments and we'll get it sent right out to you. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be looking into these right here. I told you we had a ton of these. Look at all these. And then later this week, or maybe next week, whenever Abe is back at the shop, we're going to come in and we're going to have him pick us out a box of Magic to open up. We're going to open up Dragon Ball Z, Yu-Gi-Oh, and Pokemon, because they do a lot of that here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. So it's not just sports and sports memorabilia and PSA 10 grading, it's also non-sports, so keep that in mind. Check them out on Facebook. Go ahead and like their page and stop in if you're in town. Anyway, look at all these packs. You can't even see all of them because there's so many in the way. So we're going to start busting into these. I don't know if we'll do the 2017 Donruss, if we'll do the 2017 Well, that's baseball. We got 2017 football. We got some absolute cards, which Joe picked out one of those. He thought maybe the one of them seemed kind of fatter. Maybe we'll do those first. Anyway, we'll figure it out, and we'll be right back here live from Joe's Card Shop. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in.